I'm also Shivam.
I'm Shivam. I'm also Shivam.
My favorite subject is English. Why? English is very easy. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
Hello viewers, thank you so much for clicking this video and choosing it for your learning English. Today in this video you will watch, these students will practice here for their spoken English, and of course watching this video till the end will help you of course to understand that how to speak and how to talk about anything in English. These students will come here one by one, they'll practice their spoken English by practicing some topics or maybe some English conversation, of course, by which you also can understand that how to speak that in English. So are you guys ready? I hope. Yes. Ready or not? Yes. Satyam, are you ready?
I am ready.
All right, very nice. It seems to be like Satyam is always ready and very excited about this.
Hello.
Hello, my name is Shivani Kumari.
I'm
you?
Sneha Kumari.
Where do you live?
I live in near Lalit Karpure Stadium, Jhanjharpur. And you?
And I don't know, but Thana Chowk.
Jhanjharpur. Oh.
Thana Chowk.
In which class do you study?
I am studying class 3, and you?
I study in class 10. In which school do you read?
I am. My school name is St. Micah Anglo Vidya Mandir.
Where
And
it is
you?
located?
Sultanganj.
Sultanganj.
Sultanganj bypass road.
Oh.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Lakshmi Singh. And what is your father's name?
My father's name is Deepak Kumarsa, and your mother's name?
My mother's name is Rekha Devi. And your mother's name?
My mother's name is Radha Devi.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Why?
Why? English is very easy.
Okay.
All right.
What is your hobby? What is your hobby?
Dancing.
Okay.
And your hobby?
My hobby is playing cricket.
Cricket.
Yeah.
I still remember yesterday she was saying that cricket is only for boys. Right?
Yes, sir.
She is the girl who plays cricket. 24/7 she can play cricket.
Okay.
What is your dream?
My dream is to make lawyer. And what is your dream?
My dream is a teacher.
Okay.
My dream is to be a teacher. Say this, repeat it after me. My dream is to be a teacher.
My dream is a teacher.
Okay.
What is your brother's name?
My brother's name is Shivam. And what is your brother's name?
My brother's name is Shivam Kumarsa.
Wow, miracle. Miracle.
Coincidence.
Okay.
Okay. And how many members in your family?
My family members 4.
Uh,
4. And you?
5. In my family, there are 5 members in my family.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. Thank you. She looks so cute. She speaks so cute. Okay, thank you.
I'm also Shivam.
I'm Shivam. I'm also Shivam. Okay, continue.
Where are you from?
I am Sultanganj.
I
live
am
in-
Sultan.
I am from Sultanganj.
See, when you are talking to somebody, stand correctly. Don't stand like this or stand like this. Right? Be confident. Stand properly.
And in this time, where are you from?
In Jhanjharpur.
Jhanjharpur.
Where do you live?
I live in Jhanjharpur.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Lakshmi Singh. And what about you?
My father's name is Deepak Kumarsa.
And what's your father's business? No, what's your
What?
work?
Why are you shaking your legs? Is there any problem?
No, sir.
Be confident, and I know why are you shaking your leg. Okay, please continue.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Rekha Devi. And your?
My mother's name is Radha Devi. What is your dream?
My dream is IPS.
My dream is to be an IPS officer.
My dream is to be an IPS officer. And your dream?
My dream is to be YouTuber.
YouTuber. Great YouTuber.
What
Thank
is
you.
your hobby?
Why don't you talk?
हो गया सर.
Why don't you talk? He's talking now.
Okay. चुप हो गया सर.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is playing cricket. And your?
My my hobby is playing badminton.
Badminton. Why?
Why do you like badminton?
Why do you like badminton?
Because this game is very beneficial for the body.
Cricket is also.
Sena, this game is very beneficial for the body.
This game is very verification.
Beneficial. Okay. And uh, how many members of your family?
In my 4 members in my family.
4 members.
And your?
5. And what's your father business? No, work.
Sir.
My father is a real estate agent.
My father is real estate agent. And
Real
your?
estate agent.
And your
The one
father?
who gets contracts to buy and sell the land, the piece of land.
Landowner.
And what is your
Not land,
father
I
business?
understand.
What?
And what is your father
You
do?
guys are not speaking loud. Your audience are talking.
What is your
Because-
father do?
My father do a lawyer.
My father is a lawyer.
My father is a lawyer.
Bye.
Thanks.
All right, take your seat.